81 species in genus Sinningia. April 25th, Sinningia, the Gloxinia, represents April 25th. This plant symbolizes harmony and beauty. You are balanced and artistic, creating beauty in all aspects of life. Like Sinningia, you captivate others with your charm and grace. Sinningia, a world of velvety blooms and underground treasures. My name is Ferbvu, and I'm captivated by the world of Sinningia. This genus of flowering plants, belonging to the Genus family, holds a special place in my heart. Native primarily to Brazil, Sinningia are renowned for their vibrant, often velvety flowers and their fascinating growth habits. Many species sport intriguing tubers, adding another layer of interest to these already remarkable plants. A diverse genus. Sinningia is a diverse genus, encompassing roughly 75 recognized species. They range from compact rosettes to towering, upright plants, showcasing the incredible variety within this group. Some species, like Sinningia speciosa, are commonly known as gloxinias and are popular houseplants due to their stunning, bell-shaped flowers. Others, like Sinningia leucotrica, are admired for their unique foliage, covered in a dense layer of silvery hairs. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just pretty flowers. While the flowers of Sinningia are undoubtedly eye-catching, the genus offers much more to appreciate. Many species develop fascinating tubers, which serve as storage organs for the plants. These tubers vary in size and shape, from small, round structures to large, elongated ones. Some species, like Sinningia leucotrica, even have tubers that grow above the soil surface, adding to their visual appeal. The diversity in growth habits is another captivating aspect of Sinningia. Some species, like Sinningia speciosa, form compact rosettes, while others, like Sinningia septrum, can grow into tall, upright plants reaching several feet in height. This variety in growth forms allows for a wide range of cultivation options, from hanging baskets to spacious greenhouses. A rewarding genus for cultivation. Despite their exotic origins, many Sinningia species are surprisingly easy to cultivate. They generally prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings is crucial, as overwatering can lead to tuber rot. During their growing season, Sinningia benefit from regular fertilization to support healthy growth and flowering. One of the most rewarding aspects of growing Sinningia is witnessing the emergence of their blooms. The flowers, often appearing in clusters, come in a spectrum of colors, including red, orange, pink, purple, white, and even yellow. Their velvety texture and intricate patterns add to their allure, making them a true delight for any plant lover. A personal connection. My fascination with Sinningia stems from their unique blend of beauty and resilience. Their ability to produce such stunning flowers from seemingly dormant tubers is a testament to their adaptability and strength. I find the diversity within this genus truly inspiring, and I'm always eager to learn more about these captivating plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your plant journey, I encourage you to explore the world of Sinningia. With their captivating flowers, intriguing tubers, and diverse growth habits, these plants are sure to bring joy and wonder to any collection.